2017 Leaf Best of Basketball, unopened edition number 5. Thanks everyone for getting in. We're going to roll the dice. And we're going to go 6 times. 6 times. Number 5. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got Mike down to Jaime. Sorry guys, I have to use my backup thing here. It's just a little tricky.
Dual relic and autograph. 8 out of 10. Eddie Lacy.
6 times on teams. 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Clippers, Pacers down to the Cavs.
Adrian Peterson, 45 out of 9. Is it? I guess so, right? Yeah.
So you go, Mike. You got the Clippers, Pacers, Jaime Heat, Regiment Timberwolves, David O Suns. We got Jaime with the Knicks, Eric with the Nets and Hawks, Jared with the Thunder Mavs, Paul with the Celtics, Rick with the Rockets, Jason with the Sixers, Jaime with the Bulls, Chris with the Blazers and Kings, Jaime with the Hornets, Magic, and Lakers, Jose Pistons, Nuggets, Chris Warriors, Mike Pelicans, Grizzlies, Jaime with the Jazz and Raptors, David H Spurs and Bucks, Jose Wizards, and Jaime with the Cavs. So there we go. We gotta randomize the box. We have box number 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 are available. Let's see which one we got. 4, box 4. So box 4 coming up. Let me post number 6, the last box of the case, and we'll get going.
Zay Jones, nice. Triple relic and autograph. You got a jersey, a piece of the pick's gonna give you a piece of felt.
And let me go print it out. I'm gonna have Jason print it out here. So I'll be right back. Any trades, let me know. Let me share it with him so he can print it out for me. Be right back.
Speaker team number 7, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us for Absolute Football. Another case in the store after this break. And after this, we'll all get contenders of basketball. We'll be coming up after this.
It's weird, the Nike NFL jerseys are so much different.
And after contenders basketball, after this break, we're going to contenders basketball. I think we'll be pretty much at the last hour of the broadcast.
All right, got the list. Good luck, everybody. Trade window closed. Box 4 right there. Good luck, everybody. That's a nice one. All right, first up we got for the Indiana Pacers a 2-color pinstripe patch, number 25, Jermaine O'Neal. Indiana Pacers, that is Mike K. And we got a box of black gold basketball, 2015, 2016. So some nice rookies in here. Black gold basketball. Nice. I like it. Good luck, everybody. Once again, sorry for the mic quality. I had to unplug my normal mic, so if it sounds a little worse or the levels are off, I'll have it all fixed by the next time I go live here. Might have to go up a little early to get it fixed. I have to update the computer or something, but number 6 is in the store. I'd love to do that. Finish off this case. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Black gold, 2 packs. All cards will ship. We got a base on the back. Yeah. Alright, we got Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Golden State Warriors is Chris V. And we got a John Wall for the Wizards. That's Jose. Got a redemption. We'll save that. We got a 2-color patch. 9 out of 25. Golden Jams for the Magic. 2-color patch. Aaron Gordon. Magic is a combo. That's Jaime. There you go. That one. And we got a redemption for the Toronto Raptors. Another one for Jaime. Norman Powell. Rookie sizable signatures. I believe he is Raptors, right? Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Almost positive though. Nice one there. And I like this box because we only got 1 pack to go. Nice, quick, and easy. Good luck, everybody. Pack 2. We got Paul George, Pacers. Indiana Pacers. That is a combo. That is Mike K. We got a 6 out of 10 for the Nuggets. Danilo Gallinari. Denver Nuggets. Another combo spot. Another hit for Jose. 6 of 10. Danilo Gallinari. Nice. We got a 90 out of 99. Jersey relic for the Celtics. Nice Kevin McHale. That's Paul with the Celtics. We got another relic, number 99 for the Houston Rockets, James Harden. Rick Hunt, there you go. 20 out of 99. And that's not it. We got 1 hit left. It is another Rocket rookie auto, 72 out of 199, Sam Decker. Nice autograph for the Rockets. Rick Hunt, there you go. So there you go. Thanks, everybody. Quick recap here. We had the Sam Decker, obviously, the James Harden. We had Kevin McHale, Danilo Gallinari, 10. Paul George, Norman Powell, Raptors hit. We had the 2-color patch of Aaron Gordon, John Wall, Klay Thompson, and then the Jermaine O'Neal jumbo patch. So thanks, everybody. That was unopened number 5. Number 6 is in the store now. Go grab.